St. Dominic Savio's High Secondary School Maukar Shillong Komajule Malausnem Klapalong ya kajengpen ko buram mi kena school kila pa saka examen SSLC but HSSLC mana ka khanyo tarik mentau bunai hakani kasngi ka school kala ai buram kerpang ya ka samla abadahun shisha lingkhoi daga laptop certificate but ka trophy hadian baklai yo ha ka 13 position ha ka merit list jongka SSLC badru kala yo distinction ha baro ki subject kum ka jingle buram ya baro ki kena school kani ka school kala ai de ki momento but certificate of appreciation shabaro kibla pass exam SSLC HSLC haga juga por kala ai da kasong pisa shabaro kibla yo nyupsan percent chaneng hakani kasngi na kalyang uba EP Kharbi Executive Chairman Embos Baderu Commissioner and Secretary Education Department Government of Meghalaya Kumukongsan haringkat kajingidon lang Father M Marbanyang ubalong President jong school Managing Committee Father RM Majau Principal Uba WHD Singkon Rambak Snong Maukar Kinohikai Kikime Kikpa Jongki Kena Bat Kiwede Kibla Sha Khot Sngova
Speak to me I want to feel you I need to hear you You are the light that's leading me to my soul
I thank God first and foremost for bringing me here in your midst. I especially thank the 3 teachers who have met me. I've had a lot of requests and making them understand the value of time and protocol, I here stand in your midst. I really don't know how to put it, but this is my own very school. I am what I am today because of this school, because of the teachers, because of the institution, and I therefore will fail in my duties if I don't thank God for putting a very important person in this world who later on became the patron saint of our school, none other than our patron saint, St. Dominic Xavier.